constitution. They found out that there is a paragraph there that will put us into loggerhead in that constitution and may destroy it in the church. What is this paragraph saying? You may quote it, but I will speak about it. I will just speak about it. He's the one who knows this clause. This clause is saying,
in my absence, where ATM,
the president of the ATM,
becomes the spiritual head.
Meaning, if I passed on, if I passed on at that time,
Uvuyo spiritual head
Uyo would have become the spiritual head of the ATM.
The spiritual head is the ATM.
The spiritual head of the ATM, therefore, the other clause on the other side says, it shall be the president of the TACC. It shall be the president. If you take those things, and Vuyo being smart, you would have said, if I passed on, said, my brothers,
they say president,
I'm still the president.
At
the same time, I'm also a spiritual head of this party. It's now referring to the ATM. And you would take his words
spiritual head
and say, pass on, or continue. The spiritual head is the chief apostle in the church. Can you see that? It is this gentleman who have found out about them in their council. They invited me and said, please correct this. You are going to destroy the church if you are not correcting this. And I looked at this, and that one man stood up. Father the senior, stood up. He said, I've not said anything. And he said, as we are asking you that you must take this issue of being a president, for you have deployed us and we have agreed. Now the constitution is deploying you. If therefore you don't agree, it will mean that you have undermined the constitution which you have done. He's trying to tell me that I'm a liar, but he's just putting it nicely. And I said, oh, maybe that's the reason why God is not allowing me to go. There would have been a problem in the party and another problem in the church. That problem in the party would have come to be a problem also in the church. And I realized that at this time that I'm still consuming this, let me agree to this. I will see then along the way as to how do I correct this. But Vuyo remains the leader of the caucus. It's got nothing to do with the presidency. And he will remain to complete his term there. And all his monies as they are. The only thing that they said I must accept is the issue of the presidency. The constitution for the party is not changed. It's just that one person has been appointed twice.
ndiphindele kulaa nto yokuba ndibe-chief apostle the president ngeqaba.
If it was the church, I would say that we have gone back to where I'm the chief apostle and the president of the church.